there, I have a story for you today. It's called Duck, Duck, Dinosaur and the Noise at Night. So let's see how this story starts. Mama Duck's family was growing up fast. Flap was getting big and Feather was getting big. And Spike was getting bigger. Spike is our dinosaur, isn't he? So we have Flap, Feather, and Spike. And they were too big to sleep with Mama Duck. It was time for them to sleep all by themselves in their very own nest. They were excited, only a little scared. "We are ready," said Feather. "We can do it." So Feather and Flap and Spike shared a story. They shared a snuggle, and then they fell asleep. Look, they have a little friend. Notice the little friend here, and their little friend keeps showing up in our story. Roar! They all woke up at once. They heard a noise. It was a scary noise, said Flap. I heard it too, said Feather. But what can we do? We can't just hide. Hide! Spike hid. So, Feather and Flap, they hid too. They shared a story. They shared a snuggle. They even shared a song. And then at last, they fell asleep. Roar! They all woke up at once. I heard that noise. That scary noise, said Flap. I heard it too, said Feather. Hiding didn't work, but what else can we do? We can't just run away. What do you think's gonna happen? Run away! Yup. Spike ran away, so Feather and Flap, they also ran away. They ran and ran all the way around the pond, and they were too tired to take another step. So they shared a story. They shared a snuggle. They shared a song, and they counted the stars. And then at last, they all fell asleep. Roar! They all woke up at once. I heard that noise. That's a scary noise, said Flap. I heard it too, Feather trembled. Hiding didn't work and running away didn't work. There's nothing we can do. It was late, and they were scared. Feather's knees were knocking, and Flap's wings flapped, and Spike's teeth were chattering. Chatter, 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 and everyone was being so... What's the word? Noisy! That's it! We can be really noisy, said Feather. We can scare the scary noise. So Feather and Flap made all kinds of noises. Crash, bang, boom. But Spike made only one. Look at him. He looks pretty sleepy, doesn't he? Roar! What? I think I missed a page. I did. That roar was a snore, and it was Spike. Flap laughed and Feather laughed. They would tell Spike in the morning. But right then, Feather and Flap didn't share a story or a snuggle or sing a song or count the stars. They didn't need to. They fell right to sleep. and they slept in their very own nest all night long. Singing Mama Duck there. And that is the end of our story, Duck, Duck, Dinosaur, and the Noise at Night. Do you ever get scared at night? I remember when I was little, I used to see shadows, and I would convince myself they were something, and then I would be scared for a long time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's story.